What's going on tonight, guys? It's Halloween night. We're checking out some Halloween jams. I hope you're having a great night as always. We got some tips for your patrons to shout out. We have James, Marissa, Charles, Zachary, Levi, Trisha, Fonz, and Kyle. Thank you all so very much. You know why we're here? Let's get right into it. The New York Chainsaw Massacre Part 2. Already very disturbing. Whoa! To the drums. What in the world? Why did I forget about this? Of course we're going like that. Yes. The electronics, the cleans, yes. Whoa! The effects. Wow, that's like a chainsaw effect. The charge. Immediately the chorus lifts the whole track. So fun. Oh yes. It's just so heavy. They're going for a smash at the end. That was sick. Dude, that was sick. Totally forgot That's Outrageous was one of those bands where they go from the super heavy verses to the crazy upbeat electronic chorus. That was really well done. The New York Chainsaw Massacre Part 2. Super fun jam. Again, love the contrast between just how heavy and riffy those verses were, how chuggy, and then they just burst into those cleans. Bring in a lot of electronics, effects, super fun. Just kind of the whole bag here, a lot of variety. It just, oh my gosh, it's an absolute jammer. I really enjoyed this one. I hope you guys did as well. And as always, if you're still here, if you're still watching, thank you so much. And I will see you on the next one.